Let's have me try a fish chocolate. It's like fish wrapped in chocolate, like dark chocolate. Nasty. Ugh. So, how y'all doing? This is the beginning of my Iceland vlog. Cause your girl is going to Iceland. Iceland, 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 Iceland. I have to drive up to Massachusetts, so I'm gonna do a really quick, like, this is what I'm packing video. Try to clip it for later. But yeah, your girl's going to Iceland. I've been to Iceland on a layover to France a couple years ago. When I said the air was crisping off the plane, I was like, yeah, we're definitely coming back to this. And I chose Iceland because of the Northern Lights, and this time of year which is October, is the best time to go. So, yes, okay, get with it, get with it, get with it. But yeah, we're trying to do a little chat with me while we do this, and yeah, again, so excited. My hair is all done. She did some jiggies in the roots because my hair grows really fast. 5 years of hard work. She started them and I maintain, and then she comes and fixes when I mess things up, which is rare. It's very rare. But yeah, girl. We're here. I'm about to go to the mall because I need to go get a face mask for the plane. Honestly, I'm gonna get the acne one because the way my skin be breaking out, no. And I told you we were gonna do it on the plane. Good morning. It's Iceland Day. We're going to the airport. It is 7:11, I think. Today's the 26th. And we're about to head to the Logan Express and take the bus into Boston to get to the airport. This is also the government shutdown. We're at day, what, 22 or 20, day 23 or 24 of the government shutdown. So we also want to get there early so that we are able to get on our flight and get through TSA. My mom and my best friend, I think we all have TSA pre-check, but I'm not sure. So just in case too with staffing, they take pre-check out. We get there in time to go through the line because Logan is a big airport hub. So gotta get that third way. My skin looks great. Hello. But yeah. Here we go. Not us standing in the middle of this like we're not from here. Crazy. I follow the things. And my phone. This is the top. Oh, y'all. It's so cute. I take it for fun, like that's. We're here in Iceland. Oh, look at the cute little vendors. Jiba, come. The Jiba doesn't like videos. No. Mine is? No, mine. Oh. And Iceland, and Iceland, and Iceland. Yes! So we're stuck at the airport for a little bit. because we were menangering in the airport. But we missed our bus. But anyway, so I got this because we don't have this in America. And I got some kind of collagen caffeine drink. We will, pending results. Results may vary. But let's taste this Dorito. It's not bad, but you can taste the health. Is it made here? It's made in the Netherlands. So yeah, that explains a lot. Shit, I didn't look for you, bro. We also got Icelandic chocolate. They have one here that has lava in it. Am I gonna do it for the plot if I can find it cheap? Yes. Because I think that's really cool. I'm gonna get milk chocolate, not dark chocolate. Girl. Well, anyway. Okay, so this is the can. It's called Collab. It has collagen, caffeine, it's sugar-free with vitamins and sweetener. I got forest berries. They have raspberry apricot and they have something else. It says Feel Iceland on it. Cute. Okay. Okay, Iceland. She's good. I like her. And the collagen on the inside. Jeeps. Chef's kiss. It's good. So yeah, we're just trapped some new shenanigans at the airport. At the airport. We have to wait 2 hours because we missed the bus. I'm so damn pissed, but whatever, it's fine. We're here. We're in Iceland. Who would have thunk it? Hello. It is 2:30 here, but 10:30 in Eastern Standard Time. PM. We came in after the bus debacle. The ride in is like 45 minutes. And then now we're just cooking noodles. We bought little food stuff to cook so that, because they say the food here is really pricey. So we got some noodles, we bought some candy and snacks. The water here smells like sulfur because of all the volcanic activity, but supposedly it is the cleanest water in the world. So we will find out. This stand is not tall enough, so I'll have to keep one like this. But yeah, ow, bloody hell. We'll do a tour in the later afternoon of the apartment. It's very cute, very quaint. For our 5-day trip, it does the job. I can't even complain. Good morning. Well, yeah, last night was this morning. That's not really good morning. So, according to the weather, it's going to be 4 days of snow. The Northern Lights I scheduled for today, that already has gotten canceled. So I'm trying to revamp right now. I've rescheduled it for tomorrow, and if I don't get it done, I'm just going to request a refund. And the point of this whole trip was to see this, so it's kind of annoying. But we'll see. Tomorrow, I have Sky Lagoon booked, so we'll see as well. Because of the snow, I figured we'd go get some groceries, do a little bit of exploring, and then come back and chill out for the rest of the night. Might be the best bet. There's nothing really else to do. I don't know what's open and what's gonna be closed because of the snowstorm. Well, not really snowstorm, it's like the snow. It's like 1 to 3 inches or something like that. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Hopefully I get some footage and other stuff for the day. Well, we're at the church. I don't know how to pronounce these words, so let's put them in the tag on the box. Down to the Rainbow Street. Very excited. There are a bunch of souvenir shops and stuff down the way here, so we'll see if we find anything cool. It's peppermint and mountain fig, and this one is apple something and something. Not bad. What are you getting?
Actually,
What are you getting, Willis? Tell the people.
it's a crowberry.
Crowberry? Crowberry jam? Girl, how you gonna taste it if you put two on the same cracker? I'm gonna try Carolina Reaper jam. I'm gonna die. Or drink it with a plot, yes. Oh my god, that's really good though. Oh Jesus. Oh shit. Yo. She's good, but my mouth is salivating. It was opening before when I was standing in front of it. I don't know why it's having an attitude now. Let's try it. I'm making Let's try it. Isn't it good though? It's hot, it's just good. It's really good.
The bread color.
Yeah.
Like no.
So good. I'll take a picture of it so you can see what it is. It's real good. They have other hot sauces.
The kick of that.
They have other hot sauces. Hello? I kind of want to try another one, but I want to try the ghee.
Oh, the ghee?
Yeah. They make their own ghee. I love to try it as well, but the chocolate's gonna cool my mouth down after the fact. But yeah. Willis had me try a fish chocolate. It's like fish wrapped in chocolate, like dark chocolate. It's nasty. Ugh. Okay. She can buy the crowberry jam. I'm gonna figure out the chocolate. Yeah, we're gonna go back down the street. This is Broad and Co. Broad and Co. I got, which is what they're known for, and a hot chili. Yeah, hot chili bagel twist type thing. I'm on candid camera. You can't tell
We
me.
got 2 minutes left, yo. I'm not over it.
We're here.
Show them.
We were supposed to go to Sky Lagoon. Remember?
Get falafel.
Remember I said that? Remember what the plan was for today? Look at the shit. 2 hours in this.
Exactly. No salt.
No salt. Nothing. Okay. This is the ghetto. This is the one thing Massachusetts in the United States of America got on top of Iceland. Iceland.
And they have bus shelters.
Oh yeah, we got bus shelters. They don't have that here.
They just let you stay.
Just out.
Just for the local.
Local buses barely had anything, girl. Who's optimistic? The juvenile realist. Okay.
And them do what?
You're only one that's optimistic. The juvenile realist. The debacle of the bus that showed up. Mind you, people were our bus pick up.
Snow. You make snow cones.
Girl, please. We're supposed to get picked up at 12:30. People were here at 12 o'clock waiting for this bus. Okay? To take them to the airport. I should have. When I tell you, the bus driver did not care who was there. Everyone slowed down to the bus. Everyone get out of the snow. When I tell you this man was scared for his life, his eyes were big. People were like, you need to tell the 12 o'clock people to get on, and other people have to get off and wait. He looked scared. He was like, oh, I can't move the bus if the people aren't moving. Of course, white women to the rescue, because you know my black ass ain't gonna say shit. White women were like, no, you need to do this, da da da. He not even saying, let me call command center, figure out when the next bus is coming. Nothing. I was like, what is going on in this country? One girl got on the bus and told the 12 o'clock people who weren't 12 o'clock, they need to get off. She said, yo, get off the bus. The craziest shit I've ever seen. She got up on there, and then the guy she was with, when it was like, we were pushed the bus if it stops. I should have gotten on record, guys, but I was just so annoyed because it was the most craziest thing I've ever seen.
You know me and your mom went to Iceland and she had all these big plans. I just I think it'd be like, mommy. I'm like, yeah.
I'm like, yo.
To go here so bad.
You know,
It's giving ice.
It's giving ice no land. Listen.
Alright, it's 2:30. We're done.
So the day's been canceled. Am I upset? Yes. Am I not cussing on this camera because my mama right here? Yes. That's a mild cussing. That's not the good cussing. That's not good adult cussing. That's not cussing. That's conversation. I'm gonna show y'all her food first. We're stopping at a little falafel place. Hold on. Good lord. That's food. I'm gonna zoom in. With a tortilla. Oh damn. That's really good. Rilla's got this. What's a shawarma?
Yeah.
A shawarma with falafel.
Chicken, beef.
That's good.
The hummus?
I don't know what
And I got this. Today, since we've been here, we've had noodles the whole time. And crackers with cheese. Yeah, gummy worms. Yeah, add that too. We'll catch up later. When I see you, just know. Yeah. When I see you, it's on a pop in the photo outlet. My guy. Okay? 1, 2. I have never appreciated the state of Massachusetts this much in the winter in my life. The way they don't plow out here and they had like one little plow truck on the main road. And there was no salt, because trying to save the environment. So no salt, which is fine. Get the one that's good for pets and the environment. Because in Massachusetts, again, we got that. And then the way that people deal with crisis is trash. They still answering the phones. Oh yeah, to call the Nordic people back about the bus. Yo, I just got my little Bardcod cinnamon bun. But if you're gonna warm up, the little chili twist, that gotta go trash because I hate it. It don't taste good. But the cinnamon roll, it's supposedly stuffed with some stuff in there. We shouldn't eat it. Overall, I give today a C+. She tried, but we did have good jokes, so I will take the vibes. And we did have good food. That's how we are. Oh, moral of the story, we're waiting for the bus. My mom has never seen that video, and I have to show it to her because that is the funniest thing ever. But yeah.
I forgot. I bought a cinnamon, what's it called? Cinnamon roll from Broad & Co. Is it Broad & Co?
Not how you say it, but let's try it. It's supposed to be their biggest thing out there at that store. Pretty good. It's not overpoweringly sweet, but sweet enough. I can rock with it. I put it in the oven for like 8 minutes. She's a baddie. But anyway, we started back off. I just wanted to.